I finished these two oaths off. I just got to do that one. Let me show you how I did that. This is the original mix I made up, but what I want to do now is to just make it just a little bit stronger. So I really want these to stand away. Now that's the general coat. And now I'm going to put a little bit of extra strength. I've added just a little black to the mix here. So on this side, because the light's coming from this direction, as indicated by the church, we want to make it a little darker down this edge. Now, as you bring it towards the middle, it weakens. So it's only that edge that retains the depth, and just a little bit more. This gives the round effect. Now that's just about right. Okay, now into that, I'm just going to change to the number 1 brush. And we same again, but this time we put just a little bit of detail in there. Don't go over the top. There we are. Now you see I've got a shadow there. Well, we want a shadow on the this side as well, because each host is casting a shadow onto the next one. So we make a little bit of black into the mix, make it a little stronger. And here we come down here, on here. Now with this one, we've got 2 darks together. Now how you get over that is you carefully lighten this off just at the bottom here. And by doing what you do is you wet it just a little. And you can just see it coming now. You see that lightness? Now that's probably enough, but let's make absolutely sure we just add just a little more, a bit of artistic license. There we are. And by putting just a little spot of black on this side of that, you get the effect we want. Didn't need it there because we've got the white there. Now I just want to tidy it up just a little because it's not quite straight now. So we've come from here. I have my line and I didn't hit it. And once again, now these are doorways. They're working oaths. Well, they're not any longer. They've all been turned into houses now, or dwellings, shall I say, generally for the rich, because they're quite expensive to buy. I want to just make just a little bit of adjustment on that. You can always add more colour if you need to, and I think I'm going to need to come back on that in a little while.